Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that is similarity. In geometry, there are two important terms, similarity and congruent. The two objects are congruent when they are fit with each other completely. For example, if we take two books, these two books fit completely on each other, so we can say that these are congruent. In Marathi, congruent means ekrupta. In this our chapter, we have to study similarity. For example, in order to explain the similarity, we can take one example. If I take my photo and me, these are similar objects. The model prepared by the architect of the building and actual building, these are the similar objects. In this chapter, the next topic is the ratio of triangles. We know that the formula for the area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Now we have to take the ratio of the area of two triangles. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle second is equal to 1/2 base into height upon 1/2 base into height. 1/2 get cancelled and we get the ratio. The ratio of the area of first triangle to the second is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Means we get the ratio of the area of a triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding height. Now, if we observe this formula, then you will come to know that there are three different conditions can be present. Can we explain these three different conditions? Suppose if the first condition, the triangle having a same height, if the height is same, then what will get? The ratio area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle second is equal to B1 into H, B2 into H, because height is equal. Now in this formula, H1, H and H get cancelled and we get the ratio area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to B1 upon B2. Means in this condition, if the height is same or equal, then we can get the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. Now the second condition is that if the base is same, or equal, in this condition we get the ratio area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to base into H1, base into H2. In this case, the base is same, so we get the ratio if the base is same or equal, then we get the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. In this way, if the third condition, if the base and height is same, the third condition is that if the base and height is same. Now see what happens in this condition. If the base and height is same, then the ratio of area of first triangle upon ratio of area of second triangle is equal to B into H upon B into H. In this condition, we get area of first triangle is equal to area of second triangle. Means these two triangles, they are having equal area. Students, if you completely understand the concept, the ratio of the area of two triangles, then now we have to solve the practice set 1.1 on page number 5. Our first example is the base of the triangle is 9, height is 5, base of the another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of the area of two triangles. In this condition, we have to find out the ratio of area of two triangles. So we have to write the formula in this way. We have to put up the values. 9 into 5, 10 into 6, 45 upon 60. Now we get the value of the ratio 45 upon 60. We have to give the simplest form to this ratio by dividing with 15. We get the value 3 upon 4. Means the ratio of the area of two triangle is equal to 3:4. The next example, the second example is there are two triangles, the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADB. If you observe the figure carefully, you will come to know that the height is different and base is same. In this case, we can solve this example like area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to H1 upon H2. Base is same. So we just have to put up the values. 4 upon 8, that is 1 upon 2, means the ratio of the area of two triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to 1 upon 2. The next third example. In this example, segment PS perpendicular to segment RQ, segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12, then we have to find out QT. Here, to solve this example, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 base into height. For this triangle PQR, first we take the base RQ. So we should write 1/2 into RQ into what is the height? Height is PS. So we should write down PS by putting the values. 6 into 6, we get 18. Now we have to calculate area of triangle PQR by the formula 1/2 base into height. In this condition, we take the base PR and height QT. 1/2. What is the value of PR? It is 12. We have to find out the value of QT. But we know the value of area of triangle PQR, that is 18. Put this value in formula. 18 into 2 is equal to 12 into QT.
ते कुठं नाव आहे ते
36 upon 12 is equal to QT. So QT is equal to 3 unit.